terrorist kasi is one who completely disregards human life. At pinapatay maski bata. Meron na namamatay dyan sa enkwentro, pero hindi sabihin mo yung talagang sinadya. Parang collateral damage nga ikaw. Yung isa dyan, I'm not criticizing the military, no, the armed forces. But the practice of bringing the family, minsan assign sila sa bukid, dinadala yung pamilya. So itong sundalo ngayon, una-una, places in jeopardy the lives of his family. Dinadala kasi, alam mo, inaatake yung kampo. And even that, pagka merong ng engagement, yung isip niya, hindi na doon nakafocus sa kalaban, hindi kung how to protect the family. But I have not seen that practice dito sa Davao in the hinterlands. Pero dito sa kampo na malalaki, okay lang. Pero in some places, gano'n ang nangyari. Yung sabi na mamatay kasi andyan yung pamilya. Kaya dito kami, but all others considered, the reason why we cannot move swiftly and maybe appropriately is because we lack the legal tools. Kaya na makakahuli ka ng intelligence work. The longest that you can detain a person is 36 hours, if I'm correct. Pag-build up lang ng kaso sa information terrorism, it goes. How can you complete an investigation when you're only allowed to detain him for 36 hours? Pag sinabi niya, saan ka galing? Where did you build this bomb? Where or what? I-check mo pa yung mga kung saan-saan niya gano'n. How can you? By the time you're able to collate everything and present a good story to the prosecutors, to the court, bitin ka na. Kaya nadidismiss yung kaso eh. Sabihin lang, even if it's true, okay, makuha ka ng affidavit, support may affidavit ka, okay. Sabihin ng this affidavit is what's stated there, it bears your signature. This is all true and correct. Sabihin niya, yes. And there's no lie here, not even the period. No. And where was this made? In the camp of the military. So who was the investigator? Military, sir. And who was the lawyer? Sir, kinuha ng military yun. Taga-PAW daw, gano'n. Public Assistance Office. Ito bang abogado mo? Is this the lawyer of your choice? Hindi, sir. Binigay lang sa akin pa-advise. And how long have you been detained? Sir, 3 araw. Your Honor, I move to dismiss the case. Yan, tapon mo yan. So, yung granted. Why? Wala, sumubra. So, a lawyer of his choice. Now, if he disowns that government lawyer which was asked by the military, the police to help them, patay ka na. Just to comply with the requirements. So, i-balance mo yan. We need a longer period. Britain, which is a very industrialized country, it has a high degree of literacy, educated and all, they're proposing 30 days. Tayo, maligaya na yung intelligence kung bigyan mo siguro 15 days. Saka yung should be, we need everything. To hear, to see. Wala tayo niyan eh, kasi mayat-maya, nandiyan na yung kaso sa korte. Ay, nako. It's not, as a former prosecutor and as mayor, makita ko na yung, I can see things wider than other people. More encompassing because dumaan ako dyan sa legal, sa court, pati alam mo ko.